24, it turns out, refers to a safe deposit box contained within the Casino Lutazzi's archive room. As for the wire mentioned on the disc, I assume the Pantheon is funding their research through laundered casino money.
Whatever's in that box, my money says it points us right to Gusev.
That's the hope. So we're gonna blow open their vault, but it's not the cash we're after.
Inside the vault is the only place I can override the archive room's security.
And while the Lutazzis are distracted by our heist, Casey's gonna infill the archive room and find the box.
Even getting close to that room will be tough.
Not if casino security escorts Case right into the wing containing the archive room.
Where they usually question persons of interest.
Case is going to get captured on purpose.
Precisely.
It's dangerous, and it's gonna take all 5 of us to pull it off. Starting with me at the high roller table. Winning big there sets our whole plan into motion.
We'll be ready.
I know you will. Let's find out what the Pantheon's hiding in that casino.
Wood, you ready? Good on my end. Just waiting on Case. You?
All set.
Ciao, welcome to Casino Lutazzi.
Chips, please. Your boy here is feeling real lucky.
Very good, signore. Do you have any weapons that need to be checked?
Right. Probably don't want sore losers walking around strapped.
Grazie. Enjoy.
This place is something else.
Marshal, walk over to the sign in front of the card display. To the right of the bar.
On my way.
This place is bringing back bad memories.
House always wins, Sav.
I wasn't here to gamble. Killed business. It wasn't pretty. These days, Casino Lutazzi is a neutral space.
High
The
roller
other
bar
Avalon
holders
factions
only.
respect that.
You will need to win one at the table.
My friend is somewhat of an art collector. I think I'm going to call it a night.
What? Why? You hurt his ego, Olive.
Ciao, signore. You look like someone who appreciates luxury and finesse. And an edge. In bocca al lupo.
Time to play some poker, Marshal. Gotta win that hoity-toity high roller bar. Only way we'll get access to the lounge.
And the High Roller Lounge has what we'll need next.
So, how is your wife doing? Don't go there. I picked the wrong table.
Take a seat.
Don't mind if I do.
There is no shame in losing, Mr.
Marshal.
Mr. Marshall.
Welcome, Signore. The game is Hold'em Poker, with the winner receiving the High Roller Bar.
Looking forward to it.
All set, Case. You know the score. Gotta tap all 3 junction boxes to give me the full view.
Va tutto bene. Chi va là?
Sono qui. Tutto tranquillo.
Qualcosa...
Got eyes on the main floor. Real swanky. 2 to go.
Stanno sparando! Si è messo al riparo! Ora!
They're sending more muscle your way, Case. All's quiet on comms. You're clear. Back to dealing with those junction boxes. Camera feed up. Got eyes on the main floor. Real swanky. 2 to go.
Tu lo vedi? Nemico, qui! Trovo un riparo! Attacco! Mi metto al riparo! Mi hanno ferito!
Sending more muscle your way, Case.
Emanuele, addosso! Granata partita!
Security room feeds. These guys ain't messing around. One more.
Nessuna traccia!
Muovetevi e trovateli. Subito!
Capito? Qui!
And there's the vault and armory. A lot of firepower hanging on those walls. That takes care of the cameras. Time to head inside and give yourself up, Case. They'll haul you to the back of the casino. Get you close to the archive room. Actually, some security waiting outside the door. This should be easy. Get ready.
Well, what do we have here? Looks like a little sewer rat. Let's talk. In private.
That'll do it. Case is in. Marshal, your time to shine. Win that table and you'll have access to the High Roller Lounge.
My new friend here is so generous. He keeps giving me all his chips.
Where I'm from, we teach our kids to win with grace and humility.
I'm afraid you are not in Kansas anymore, Dorothy. This is a game for adults, not school children. That bar is mine.
I got a camera feed behind that schmuck. Time to turn your luck around.
We here to talk or play cards?
Bet. Go.
A fearless American does not know when to take a bow, huh? Bet.
I can't see his damn cards. Shake things up a little.
Mr. Marshall learned grace and humility, but not arithmetic.
He's got 9 and 10 of clubs. Nothing there. Raise.
Raise. Such confidence. Call. Should I practice merci, ma chérie? Huh?
He's bluffing. He still ain't got shit.
Signore Batto checks.
Raise it.
Signore Marshall bets.
You got this, motherfucker.
Call. And now, the final card.
His only chance is... God damn, lucky bastard got us straight.
All in.
Sev, do your thing. Marshall, whatever's up your sleeve, time to use it.
Your drink, signore.
Oh, you must be...
I'm so sorry, sir. Please, let me help.
What are you doing?
I'm terribly
Stop.
sorry.
You're making it worse. Just leave me alone, huh?
Oh, man. You need a minute?
No. Just go away. Continue the game.
All in. Gentlemen, showdown, please. Full house.
What?
Sevens full of jacks. Signor Marshall wins.
How did this happen? Yeah.
Good game. Moving to the high roller lounge. What? You see the pit boss in there?
He's there. Got a keycard hanging right off his ass.
That's what we need. Once I get in and create the distraction, I'll grab the card and hand it off to Felix.
Felix, you in position?
Of course.
Sorry, signore. You'll need...
One of these?
Congratulations. Come right in.
He's inside.
Marshall, head to your right. You can place the scrambler on the slot machine closest to the double doors.
Felix, you're almost up.
Something's happening. Wait, no. I need you all to clear the area. You cannot claim these winnings. Signore, stop. Signore, please. The cooperation is greatly appreciated. Please, the machine is malfunctioning. You can't claim it. Get back here. Finally. Took you long enough.
What seems to be the problem?
Are you serious?
Yes.
Now's your
I
chance.
did
Grab
warn
the key.
management that these machines seemed particularly temperamental. Like I told you, the problem isn't the machines. I'll need to reset the cell.
Do it.
Hey, man. This lady needs a bucket to carry those winnings.
Signore, I'm sorry.
Or maybe some of those canvas badges, some big dollar signs on them.
Please understand, there's been a technical issue we're
Now
working
get
to
to the
resolve.
server room and reset those slot machines, Felix.
I don't know what I was expecting.
En route to the server room. After resetting the machines, I'll move to the next phase.
I didn't do anything! Told her you never to show your face around here again. I'm telling
Animals.
you, I'm not the guy! Hey, what's taking so long? We need these slots back up. Need to reset that server, Felix. We're good now. Grazie.
Now, to reprogram this keycard. After that, we'll have access to the armory and elevator.
Use that keypad, Felix. Heading into heavy security. Stay in the blind spots.
I'd wager the previous code will work here as well.
There's a vent in there you might be able to use. There you go. I knew you still had it in you.
Please.
Qualcosa da segnalare.
Tutto tranquillo.
Capito.
The computer I need is in this room. I can use it to reprogram the keycard.
Fatti vedere.
Giving the keycard armory and elevator access. Done. Moving to the rendezvous point.
I'll be there.
Alarm sounded. Good thing everyone's asleep.
Good work, Felix. Get that card safe. We're one step closer to kicking off the heist. Once we have that distraction going, Case can make his move.
Back on the casino floor.
How's the drink sound right about now?
Quite welcome.
Head straight for the bar, then.
Schnapps, please. On the rocks.
Right away, signore. Here you are. Enjoy.
Danke.
On you in 3. Cards in hand, heading downstairs. Hey! Here. I'm taking my break.
With that card, you now have access to the high security floor below us.
And no one but the Lutazzi inner circle are allowed down there.
Oh, the flow, it's shifting almost.
You've had way too much to drink.
Something
She's in.
Seb, get to the elevator on the bottom floor. Send it up for me and Felix.
On it.
Rapporto?
Area in sicurezza.
Confermo.
Me lo sono immaginato.
Ho sentito.
C'è qualcuno! Si trova qui! Attacco!
Confermo. Non abbassate la guardia.
Me lo sono immaginato.
Com'è la situazione?
Non lo vedo.
Ho sentito.
Cos'è stato?
Visto qualcosa?
orders, boys. I'm off to the armory.
After you're loaded up, it's time to hit the vault. We'll meet you there.
In the armory. Quite the collection.
Grab whatever you can.
Feels good. Good for close quarters. Simple. Light.
Sam, get those weapons loaded.
Oh no. Now we're talking. All packed up. Leaving now.
Copy that. See you in a sec.
Hey, Twinkle Toss, we got a situation down here.
I'm quite aware. Damn, Felix.
Let's not keep Case waiting.
Chef, C4.
Showtime.
Igniting. Remember, we won't have long before the security response arrives.
Time for the grand finale. Safe?
Did it work?
Flawlessly. If you kindly locate the panel. Much appreciated.
We're about to have company. Get out here and grab yourself a gun, Sam. Right on time, light 'em up! Right down from the stairs! Take him out! Look out, Brad! Right, from the elevator. How we doing, Felix?
It's a complicated procedure.
To our left. Felix, update.
time!
Come on, man! Seb, over here! Keep these assholes preoccupied. Roll them again.
You look ready, Case.
Get back!
Nothing, Well, I think you've wasted enough of our time. Francesco, let's finish up and take them down below. Go help them up there. I'll take care of this myself. You know something about this? And here I thought we were gonna let you off easy. Oh no. The canal is too good for you. This is gonna get real uncomfortable now.
Payback the bitch. Now grab some hardware and get to the archive room.
What's going on at the vault?
Felix, get it open, now!
Archive room security is down.
My man!
Whatever's that damn hiding case. Hey, guys, worry about that lockbox. It's in box B24. Keep going. All the way back. It's the B alcove. In the back corner. The case is on it. Looks like a dossier of some kind. Stow it. Case, Lutazzi, heading your way.
We're still sitting down over here.
Ne abbiamo perso uno. Mi metto al riparo.
We're out, Case. Coming your way.
Let's go. We got a boat in the canals with our name on it.
Great work, Case. You really took one for the team.
Follow me.
Heavy enemy presence on the main floor. Some civilians still running around, too. Watch your fire.
Maintain distance, people! Try to flank them.
We went through everything inside that box from the casino's archive room. 7 Felix were right. Lutazis were moving Pantheon cash through the casino with a healthy cut in return. We got the breakthrough we needed. Records of wire transfers to a lab in southern Iraq, directed to Matt V. Gusev. We'll notify Adler so you can take a look on the ground. Time is short, but if we can get our hands on the Pantheon's bioweapon expert, we just might break this whole thing open.